Take 3 months and don't hit nobody up first. Go ghost and see how many people call you, text you, and check up on you. Then you're gonna really know who's down for you. You see, someone out there right now is mad at you because you chose peace over drama, because you chose distance over disrespect, and you chose self-love over self-destruction.
It's okay. Let them leave. They have every right to choose the experiences they want in life. They have every right to stop choosing me, but I don't have the right to stop choosing me. I have to be there for myself always.
Don't beg, don't chase, know your worth, accept rejection, and choose you. I heard something the other day that sat with me real deep. Stop being the go-to person for people you can't go to.